Have you ever been struggling with hair growth? Try clove water, a natural powerhouse packed with general to boost scalp circulation and trigger follicle activities. Clove water has become a very popular natural remedy for hair growth, but most of the people misunderstand how it actually works. In this video, we explain what clove water really does for the hair and the scalp, and what should not be seen as standalone solution. Learn how clove-based treatments support the scalp environment and how to use them correctly within structured hair care approach. This video is a part of Evolva series focused on realistic, science-informed natural hair care and long-term growth strategies. Before I proceed, ask yourself, does clove water really grow hair? Well, clove water is everywhere right now. People are using it, recommending it, and expecting fast results. But does it actually grow hair, or it is being misunderstood? Maybe you have it in your kitchen. Let me tell you how to use it for your hair to grow. Let's break down what clove water really does and how it fits into a proper hair care approach. Okay? Clove water is very simple herbal infusion made by steeping cloves in water. It contains natural plant compounds that interact with the scalp environment. But it is very important to understand something. Hear me well. Clove water is not direct growth product. It's not direct growth products. It does not force hair to grow. It's supporting component, not miracle. Does not force hair to grow as well. It works more indirectly by supporting conditions. Great. Clove water is often used for its supportive properties. It may help maintaining scalp balance, support a clean environment, or provide light stimulation. These effects don't create immediate growth, but they contribute to the healthier foundation over time. If you are having an issue for hair growth, try hair clove water. It may help to support your hair strand inside the scalp. Then, one of the biggest misconceptions, many people have these misconceptions, is expecting one ingredient to do everything. You have been using cloves alone and you are expecting too much. Hair growth is not controlled by single products. It's influenced by multiple factors, has to work together. When clove water is used alone as a standalone product, without structure as well, it is often led to disappointments. One product always couldn't make you a full solution. Instead of seeing clove water as a solution, it's more useful to see it as supporting step. It can be part of routine, not the entire routine. When used alongside consistent care, it can contribute to better overall results. Try to mix with the other herbs to make a hair tea, as I have been showing you in my latest video. Clove water is a supporting component, not a miracle. You can spray on your hair scalp every single day to prevent hair dryness. Also, you can mix with some other herbs to help because it couldn't work as standalone products. So, set a simple approach to have a best results. Because using clove water in moderation can give you what you are expecting, and keeping the routine balanced helps maintain consistency. Overuse or overcomplication can reduce effectiveness. This is why simplicity often leads to better long-term results. Say the thing that you are capable to fulfill. Well, the real value of cloves water is not in quick results. It may take time, take months, but in how it supports a larger system. Do it consistently, okay? But when expectations are realistic and the routines are consistent, natural methods become more effective. If you've been using cloves water expecting instant growth, now understand its real role. It's not shortcut, it's a supporting tool. When used correctly as well, it becomes part of a balanced approach. Subscribe for realistic structured hair education. Cause growth is built, not assumed. Thank you.